Welcome, developers! Today we're embarking on an exciting journey through programming languages. Unlike typical top 10 videos, we're diving deep into the languages that have truly influenced software engineering. From basics to the bizarre, we've got it all covered. Get ready for a comprehensive coding roadmap. Let's dive in, and don't forget your Notepad++. Let's begin with Scratch. Like coding with Lego bricks to learn programming basics. Before Scratch, there was BASIC, the friendly granddaddy of user-friendly programming languages, welcoming newbies. Scratch is a digital playground for aspiring coders. You didn't even have to type anything. Simply drag and snap colorful blocks together to make your own interactive stories, games, and animations. Let's journey back to BASIC's genesis, the language that sparked countless coding careers. BASIC, short for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, simplified programming with its approachable syntax. It made coding feel like a conversation with the machine, erasing the intimidation factor. Now, on to powerful languages. Python, versatile and concise, can create almost anything. JavaScript, essential for web dev. Might be messy, but every developer eventually works with it. Python, like a Swiss Army knife for coding, offers a concise syntax for expressing intricate ideas. It supports tasks from web apps to scientific research. Now, JavaScript is the arch enemy of all coders. It is the language that gives websites life, making them interactive and dynamic. It throws you a curveball just when you think you've got it all figured out, and debugging becomes your new best buddy. Feeling comfortable? Great! Let's explore scripting languages like PowerShell and Bash for task automation. Learn HTML and CSS for captivating web pages, and use SQL to connect programs with data. Using Bash scripting is similar to making your computer act as your obedient butler. It's ideal for managing files, automating tedious activities, and running system upkeep without breaking a sweat. The web's dynamic duo, HTML and CSS, work together. HTML organizes a web page's content, while CSS adds style, creating a beautiful appearance like crafting art on a canvas. Don't overlook SQL, the language for database communication. It's like conversing with data. Easy retrieval, updates, and management, akin to a digital librarian finding books. Ready for a challenge? Explore C# and other strong typed languages, the backbone of reliable, efficient software. TypeScript adds a safety net to JavaScript, simplifying complex objects. Java, like a skyscraper's foundation, prevents catastrophic errors with precise typing and strict standards, making it the top choice for building robust, large-scale apps. TypeScript, JavaScript's superhero, offering code structure, bug detection, and a safety net through static types. Explore Go and Kotlin for robust system development. For mobile apps, meet Swift, Kotlin, and Dart, your allies in development. Go, also known as Golang, is like a Formula One car of programming languages, ideal for system-level software and networking due to its speed and efficiency. Kotlin is the coolest choice for Android app development. It helps create seamless, feature-rich applications for Android devices. Swift powers Apple's ecosystem, serving as an artist's palette for crafting apps across iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Its modern syntax and performance boosts ensure that your apps dazzle on Apple devices. Flutter, Google's UI toolkit for building natively built mobile, web, and desktop applications from a single codebase, is powered by Dart, the multilingual tour guide of app development, if you will. The functional programming world is heating up. Haskell, F# and Scala, the coding philosophers, highlight functions in immutability for potent coding once mastered. Haskell, the programming language that challenges your assumptions. It emphasizes immobility, laziness in evaluation, and elegant solutions. It is pure functional magic. Be ready for a mental challenge. Microsoft's functional first language, F#. It smoothly combines the best elements of functional programming with object-oriented thinking. It's like conducting a code symphony. The chameleon of languages is Scala. It is a flexible option for creating scalable and maintainable systems since it seamlessly switches between object-oriented and functional paradigms. As we enter a world of low-level programming, prepare yourself. The masters of memory management are C, C++, and Rust, which lay the groundwork for contemporary software. Particularly, Rust acts like a guardian angel to protect your code from memory problems. C, a powerful programming language, shapes much of modern computing. It grants complete control, yet demands great responsibility, akin to crafting with raw materials. The C++ replacement, which has more features and capabilities. You can build effective, high-performance software with a variety of tools and libraries at your disposal thanks to this programming language, which is like C on steroids. The unbreakable language Rust puts memory safety first while maintaining efficiency. It's like your code has a personal bodyguard, making sure vulnerabilities like null pointers and data races never make it to the surface. Ready to challenge your coding norms? Discover high-performance languages like V and Zig, directly communicate with OS using Holy C, and that's not all. Delve into esoteric languages like Brainfuck and Pyte, where coding blurs with a playful twist. Quantum computing speaks Q#. It's like strapping in for a mind-bending amusement park journey through qubits, superposition, and entanglement. Quantum coding takes abstraction beyond conventional programming. V, the quick and straightforward language, is kind of like a hidden weapon for writing fast applications with less syntax. V is a rock concert if other languages are like orchestras. Zig is a control and predictability-oriented language. It resembles a finely tuned instrument in a professional musician's hands. Zig is a delight for developers who want to have complete control over their code because of its distinctive characteristics. The language that lives true to its name is Brainfuck. It's like trying to solve a problem while standing on your head. Each command is a mental struggle, and understanding its obscure grammar is like deciphering a code. Pete turns code into art, like painting with meaningful pixels. Your programs become vibrant and abstract graphics. The challenge lies in deciphering each pixel's movement. Let's salute the pioneering programming languages like Fortran, Algol, Lisp, and COBOL, which laid the foundation for today's coding industry, with COBOL being the unsung hero driving banking systems. The earliest programming language for engineering and scientific purposes was Fortran. It's like putting oneself in the position of the innovators who used computers to carry out intricate calculations and simulations. Algol's language shaped modern syntax, akin to a primal ancestor for subsequent programming languages. Its legacy persists in contemporary code organization. Lisp, AI's language of symbols. Code and data merge, shaping modern computing. COBOL, an unsung hero, powers government, banking, and timeless applications, showing its enduring language strength. We explore assembly, machine code, and the digital iceberg's foundations, where ones and zeros shape intricate calculations in our digital realm. Quantum computers might turn you into a coding deity. The closest we can get to conversing directly with a machine is through assembly language. It's like talking in a code that computers understand, where each command becomes a clear order to the hardware. Quantum computing harnesses the subatomic power, tackling once-thought unsolvable problems, bridging code and cosmic realms via quantum electrodynamics. What a journey! Fellow programmers, remember the boundless options in the vast realm of programming languages. From scratch to quantum code, each layer brings challenges and insights. Whether a novice or expert, keep exploring, learning, and pushing your creative boundaries. Happy coding until next time. Thanks for joining this adventure.